So this is statistic 5. It's similar to the user input to other statistics. And the target draw is if you leave empty, that will be targeting the future next draw. But there's some extra user input, such like distance. So default as 30. So you will see that this distance determines some a table's how many rows you want to display. And the scales is a 7 default, and you can choose different other numbers as a scale value. So there will be different groups. Select different lottery, click submit. So you can see the multiple tables displayed in this window. And first one is display code numbers. So the so-called code number is distance bigger than or equal to 10. So this table tells you, okay, you don't have to manually to find the code numbers from 1 to 49. This table tells you, okay, which one is so this is a number, so this number's distance, this number's a frequency. So the distance is getting bigger and bigger from left to right of this tablet. And if you want to find code number, then you from this tablet, from this table, and you can see which the value of the distance. Also, this table shows you the hottest numbers. So again, you don't have to find the hot numbers manually from 1 to 49. This table tells you. So these numbers are very hot, but on the left side is the hottest. On the right side is getting colder. So you can see the distance is getting bigger, but on the left side is just 0, 0, 0, means these numbers has been drawn in the last draw. So so distance equal to 1 is these numbers. Equal to 2 are these numbers. So you can choose based on what distance you want. You choose the corresponding numbers. If you want very hot, then you go this area. You choose one of these numbers. So if you want as long as you know the distance value, then you can find the numbers belong to that distance group easily. The third one is just a number from 1 to 49. That's based on the frequency. So it's actually this one row is similar to the statistics 3, because in statistics 3 there's the table has all rows from now to the past, but this is just one row. It's current draw or last draw. So it's give you the idea of the frequency and the distance against mapping to each number. And also red one is been the draw or hit on the current draw, and you can see the distance of against each. But so this is a scale. If you see the in the user input, you can see that scale is input is 7. So it's 7 in the group, 7 numbers in the group. But if you change to 10, then the 10 numbers in the one group. So this is classified as altogether 7 groups, and this table is similar to that one. So you see this color is against this so this group actually they just compress this number, but define as a So put that number into one column instead of 7 columns, but those numbers actually distributed according to their distance. So this just from a different way to look at this, and actually they are same. They're showing the same information, same numbers. You can see the whole numbers is they just redistribute based on their distance. So, for example, 14 is distance 7. You see the 14 is 7. So look this way, so you can see our number is more easily to understandable. And you can see because I define as 30, so there's altogether 30 rows, distance up to as far as 30. So you can see the most code value or number is 26 because the distance 25. Then you can see other the number 1 is also cold, and you can easily see who is cold, who is hot. See, yeah, this is from a different angle, but in terms of distance. So this is all about the statistic 5.